Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the world of processors with our top 5 Ryzen CPUs for 2024. AMD has been making waves with its Ryzen lineup, delivering incredible performance and efficiency. Whether you are building a gaming rig, a workstation or a budget-friendly build, there's a Ryzen CPU for you. So let's get started. The first CPU on our list is the Ryzen 7 5800X3D. This CPU is an excellent choice for gamers who want maximum performance with its 8 cores and 16 threads. It provides a balanced mix of power and efficiency. And by the way, the 3D V-cache technology enhances gaming performance by providing additional cache memory, which helps in further data access. It's perfect for gamers looking to get the most out of their system without stepping into the higher end price range. The second CPU on our list is the Ryzen 5 7600X. This 6-core 12-thread processor is a fantastic choice for gamers and budget-conscious builders. It delivers excellent performance in gaming and productivity tasks at a reasonable price, and making it a popular choice for mid-range gaming builds. It's also power efficient, helping you to cool your system and make it quiet. The third CPU on our list is the Ryzen 7 7800X. With its 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU offers strong performance for gaming and everyday tasks. It's perfect for those who want a powerful CPU without breaking the bank. The 7800X excels in gaming thanks to its high clock speed and efficiency design. It's also great for streaming and multitasking, making it a versatile choice for many users. Fourth CPU on our list is the Ryzen 9 7900X. This CPU offers an excellent balance of performance and value. With 12 cores and 24 threads, it's more capable of handling demanding workloads and high-speed gaming. Plus, it's more affordable than the 7950X3D, making it a great value for its performance. The last CPU on our list is the Ryzen 9 950X3D. With 16 cores and 32 threads, this beast of a processor is designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand the best. It's perfect for heavy-duty multitasking and content creation, and for gaming as well. With its V-cache technology significantly boosting its performance in gaming and other cache-intensive applications, if you're looking for a top-tier performing processor, go with the Ryzen 9 950X3D. Honorable mentions. Before we wrap up, let's quickly mention a few more honorable mention CPUs. The Ryzen 7 5700X and the Ryzen 5 5500 are also fantastic options that offer great performance for their price points. They didn't make up to the top 5, but they are definitely worth considering for your next build. In conclusion, these are our top 5 Ryzen CPUs for 2024. Whether you are a top tier performer, a balanced option or a budget friendly choice, there's a Ryzen CPU that's perfect for you. AMD will continue to deliver innovative and powerful processors that cater to your needs. Well, that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. But don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time and bye.